looks like a mess, but trust me, this is a very simple and easy product to put together. We're going to go ahead and start with the plastic covering and take it on the mount itself. You're going to match the side of the end that's supposed to go on, and simple, just slide it right in, push it all the way, and then it's a snap, so make sure you push down hard. There you go, it's snapped and in place. Now we're going to go ahead and put it like this real quick. We're going to grab this plastic covering, make sure you have the bigger hoop side facing upwards towards the larger side of the mount. You're going to slide it on right here. Perfect. Next we're going to take this mount right here, and then you're going to place it right here. Now this part is a little bit tricky, I must admit, so have some patience. You're going to go ahead and take the screw and you're going to put it all the way through. You're going to find the hole that you lined up the bottom of the curve with. You're going to reach in now. You're going to press on the screw. So as you can tell, now the screw is all the way through the pole and coming out of the other hole. You're going to take the lock mechanism and you're going to go ahead and just twist it right on. If it's not catching right away, apply more pressure, holding the pin in. Alright, and then it simply screws in just like that. You're going to grab your two small screws that are left over here. Now we're going to grab the holders for the speakers. Doesn't matter which one you start with, just make sure that the outside edge is facing away from the wall mount itself. All you do is simply slide it in, and then we're going to flip it back onto its side. Take the screw, there's a hole down at the very bottom, and you simply just hand screw it in. Don't really need to worry about using a screwdriver. It's not necessary, but if you want to, you can screw it in. And then we're going to now take the other side and do the same exact process. Slide it all the way through, and then we're going to flip it back onto this side. Take the screw again, grab the hole right here, and just simply thread it in. And just like that, we now have a completed wall mount.